Wait, hey. Mona. Hey. Hello. Come on. Down. Come on. Crazy dog. They both jumped on me. Oh. This is stealth camping at the beach. Hey. And grumpy dogs. Aren't you, Mona? Oi, stop it. SB Saeed. Kilo. Check out his channel. SB Saeed. Now, what is your channel?
Adventure Camp Life.
Camp Life.
Yeah, man. That's in camping. Adventure Camp Life.
Just Camp Life.
Not
Just
the
Camp Life, you got your hand on your hip.
Not the camping, man. Adventure Camp.
Mona! There's the castle. Don't know if you can see it. Abigail Castle. Pretty cool, lit up. And right here is the beach. It's black. Let's go see Mona. Oh, Kilo, come on. Coming up pretty high. Nearly got soaked. Hope it doesn't come up any further because we're only just there. See if you can see us without the light. Oh. Look at the sky, it's pretty cool. The moon is there. You'll see it again in a minute. That's my favourite place. Well, they both ran over to me like guard dogs when I came over. They're barking at me. Weren't you, crazy dog? Saeed's foldable tent. I think it's going to collapse tonight. Doesn't look very strong, does it? Looks like you made it out of sticks, twigs. There's the moon. Nice and bright. There's a load of caravans all the way along. That's where we did I'm a Celebrity, Get Me Out of Here. While the celebrities were sleeping in there, I was up in the mountain, a bit further along, chilling out in the woods, and they were moaning about the weather. I was sleeping under a tree with no tent, just a bivvy bag.